Hello everyone, this is another great use of Instantbond. This demonstration will show you the magic of Instantbond, not just another glue. This is a permanent quick fix. Quick fix and will be there permanently, and it's the ultimate glue product, okay? So here we go. We have a shoe here that's had the bolt ripped off, unfortunately, and we're gonna do a quick fix. So what we'll do is here, we could use the adhesive alone. It'll take 8 to 10 minutes and you're withholding it, but no. We have an accelerator here. It'll take 8 to 10 minutes to 5 or 6 seconds, okay? So what we do, and here's the use, we will first spray. If you notice, we have our new directional nozzle, so you can't miss, okay? That dries instantly. So we will place the accelerator on one side and we'll put the glue on the other, okay? Now, you should practice with this product on other surfaces. Believe me, this is fast. You don't have a second chance with this. It's permanent and you can't take it off. So what we'll do is we'll apply the accelerator on one side. Okay, then that'll dry within seconds. And we will apply the adhesive on the other, right here. Now, again, be very careful with this, and please do not get any on your hands, because it does stick permanently. Now, so we've got the accelerator on here and the adhesive on the other. Again, be very careful and practice, because once you put this on, you've got 2 or 3 seconds and it's done. There's no second chance at this, okay? Now, I'm very experienced. I've done this before. So here we go. And what we'll do is we'll press it down and hold some pressure for 2 or 3 seconds. And basically, you're done here. Unlike any other glue that you're waiting for hours, sometimes days, taping, holding, clamping, this product is done. There's no coming off here anymore. There's nothing coming off. Okay? So, this is the beauty. Now, this is repaired. This is the beauty of Instantbond. Why use anything else? This is 10 times the strength, 100 times faster, and it solves the job instantly.